Welcome students to BSL Bite Size Learning. Today we'll talk about circle. So we have already learnt about what is a circle, what is circumference, radius and diameter of a circle. But today I'm going to talk about a few of the concepts that are related to a circle. Right? So let's say you have a circle and then there is a dot at the center. So this dot is called the center of a circle. Alright. So now let's say you have a line that starts from the center of a circle and connects to a point on the circle, right? That is called a radius of a circle, right? We have already learned about this. Now, if you have a line that starts from one point of a circle, passes through the center, and then connects another point on the circle, that line is called a diameter of a circle. Right? Now, if there is a line that starts from one part of a circle and connects the another point on a circle but doesn't pass through the center of the circle, right? That line is called chord of a circle. Right? Now, you have a point on a circle and there's a line that passes through the circle and touches that point. That line is called a tangent. Tangent, right? Now, let's say you have this arc, right? This chord, and then this arc, this portion which is between the chord and then the circumference of a circle is called the arc.